everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello, hello. I am Alex, and today we have one of the most fun and exciting episodes ever.
That is right. Today we are talking about one of the most beloved superheroes of all time, Spider-Man.
Yes, but more specifically, we are talking about the actors who have played Spider-Man on the big screen.
And we are going to share our opinions and compare them all in simple and easy English together.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Alex, before we talk about the actors, let us give everyone a quick Spider-Man background.
Great idea. So Spider-Man is one of the most popular and most loved superheroes in all of Marvel Comics.
In English, Marvel Comics means the famous American comic book company that created Spider-Man and many other heroes.
Spider-Man's real name is Peter Parker, an ordinary teenage boy who gets bitten by a radioactive spider.
Radioactive means something that gives off powerful, invisible energy rays that can change things dramatically.
After the bite, Peter develops amazing superpowers, incredible strength, wall climbing, and a special spider sense.
Spider sense means a special instinct that warns Spider-Man of danger before it actually happens to him.
In English, we can say, Spider-Man uses his powers and his famous web shooters to swing through the city and fight crime.
Web shooters are the devices on Spider-Man's wrists that shoot strong, sticky webs he uses to swing and trap villains.
And his most famous quote is, "With great power comes great responsibility." One of the best lines in superhero history.
That quote means, if you have special abilities or advantages, you have a duty to use them to help others.
In English, responsibility means a duty or obligation to do something important and do it well and correctly.
Now let us talk about the three amazing actors who have played Spider-Man in major Hollywood films.
Yes, there have been 3 different Spider-Man actors, and each one brought something completely unique to the role.
In English, brought something unique to the role means each actor added their own special qualities to the character.
The 3 Spider-Man actors are Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, and Tom Holland, all incredible performers.
Let us start with the very first big-screen Spider-Man, the legendary Tobey Maguire.
Oh yes, Tobey Maguire will always have a very special place in the hearts of Spider-Man fans everywhere.
In English, we can say, Tobey Maguire played Spider-Man in Sam Raimi's original trilogy from 2002 to 2007.
Trilogy means a series of 3 connected films that together tell one complete and overarching story.
Tobey's Peter Parker was very shy, very nerdy, and very awkward. And that made him incredibly relatable.
In English, relatable means easy to connect with and understand because it reminds you of yourself or people you know.
Nerdy means someone who is very studious, intellectual, and passionate about academic subjects and knowledge.
Tobey's Spider-Man felt very real and very human. You genuinely felt his pain, his joy, and his struggles.
In English, struggles means the difficult challenges and hardships that someone faces in their daily life.
One of the most memorable things about Tobey's Spider-Man is his incredibly emotional and heartfelt performance.
Heartfelt means coming from very deep and genuine emotions, sincere and touching, rather than superficial.
Spider-Man 2 with Tobey Maguire is still considered one of the greatest superhero movies ever made.
In English, we can say, Tobey Maguire defined what Spider-Man meant for an entire generation of fans worldwide.
Defined means established and shaped how people understood and thought about something for a very long time.
Generation means a group of people who grew up during the same period of time, sharing similar experiences.
Now let us talk about the second Spider-Man actor, the charming and charismatic Andrew Garfield.
Oh, Andrew Garfield was such a different and exciting Spider-Man compared to Tobey. I loved his energy.
In English, we can say, Andrew Garfield played Spider-Man in the Amazing Spider-Man series from 2012 to 2014.
Andrew's Peter Parker was much cooler and more confident than Tobey's version of the character.
Confident means having a strong and positive belief in your own abilities and your own worth as a person.
Andrew's Spider-Man was witty, sarcastic, and had amazing chemistry with his co-stars on screen.
Witty means being very clever and quick with funny and intelligent remarks. Sharp humour delivered perfectly.
Sarcastic means using irony or saying the opposite of what you mean in a clever and humorous way.
Chemistry means a natural and effortless connection between actors that makes their scenes feel completely real.
In English, we can say, Andrew Garfield's Spider-Man had the best action sequences and the most athletic movement.
Action sequences means the exciting fight scenes and chase scenes that show off the hero's physical abilities.
Andrew moved like a real spider, quick, agile, and incredibly fluid in every single action scene.
Agile means able to move quickly and easily with great flexibility and impressive physical coordination.
Fluid means moving smoothly and continuously without any awkward or stiff pauses or interruptions.
And Andrew Garfield's emotional performance about loss and love was so touching and so beautifully done.
In English, we can say, Andrew Garfield brought a raw, emotional depth to Spider-Man that was truly impressive.
Raw emotional depth means very genuine and unfiltered feelings that you can feel coming through the screen.
Now let us talk about the most recent and youngest Spider-Man actor, the amazing Tom Holland.
Oh, Tom Holland is so incredible. He is genuinely my personal favourite Spider-Man actor of all three.
Really? Tell me why. I want to hear all your reasons because this is such an interesting debate.
In English, debate means a discussion where people share different opinions and arguments about the same topic.
In English, we can say, Tom Holland joined the Marvel Cinematic Universe as Spider-Man starting in 2016.
Marvel Cinematic Universe, or MCU, means the connected world of all the Marvel superhero movies together.
Tom Holland is the youngest actor to play Spider-Man, and he actually feels like a real teenage boy.
In English, we can say, Tom Holland's Peter Parker is the most authentically teenage version of Spider-Man ever.
Authentically teenage means genuinely feeling like a real young person, nervous, funny, and still learning.
Tom brings so much natural humour, warmth, and genuine vulnerability to the role of Peter Parker.
Vulnerability means showing honest weakness and human imperfection, which makes a character deeply lovable.
His chemistry with Robert Downey Jr. as Tony Stark is one of the most heartwarming mentor relationships ever.
Mentor relationship means a bond between an experienced person who guides and teaches someone younger and less experienced.
Heartwarming means filling your heart with a very pleasant feeling of warmth, joy, and deep emotional satisfaction.
In English, we can say, Tom Holland's Spider-Man films are the most fun, exciting, and emotionally satisfying of the three.
And Spider-Man? No Way Home with all three Spider-Men together was the most incredible superhero movie moment ever.
Oh, No Way Home was absolutely legendary. I cried and cheered at the same time watching that movie.
In English, legendary means so memorable and so great that it will be talked about for generations to come.
Seeing Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, and Tom Holland all on screen together was an absolute dream come true.
Dream come true means something you have hoped and wished for so long that finally actually happens in real life.
In English, we can say, No Way Home united three generations of Spider-Man fans in the most emotional way possible.
United means brought together as one, joining different groups of people through a shared and powerful experience.
Okay, Alex, so we know Tom Holland is your favourite, but who is my favourite Spider-Man actor?
Ha ha ha! Please tell us, Mia. I have been so curious about your answer this whole entire episode.
My absolute favourite Spider-Man actor is actually Andrew Garfield, and I have very strong reasons.
Oh, really? Tell us everything. I want to hear all of your arguments.
First, Andrew's physical performance as Spider-Man is just on a completely different and incredible level.
I have to agree with you on that one. He moved so naturally and so beautifully in the costume.
Second, Andrew's emotional scenes are so raw and so powerful that they genuinely broke my heart every time.
Yes, his heartbreak scenes were incredibly moving. You really felt his pain so deeply watching him.
And third, Andrew Garfield's wit and humour as Spider-Man felt the most authentic and genuinely funny to me.
In English, you can say, Andrew Garfield captured Spider-Man's signature wit and humour better than anyone else.
Signature wit means the unique and defining sense of humour that is completely characteristic of that character.
In English, we can say, all three actors brought something special and irreplaceable to the role of Spider-Man.
Irreplaceable means so unique and valuable that nothing else could ever truly substitute or take its place.
Now let us learn some great English phrases for talking about movies and actors in conversation.
First phrase, you can say, in my opinion, blank is the best Spider-Man actor because blank.
Or try. I think blank's performance as Spider-Man was the most emotionally powerful and convincing of the three.
You can also say, what I love most about blank's Spider-Man is his ability to make you feel blank.
Another great phrase is, I was completely blown away by blank's performance in blank. Truly unforgettable.
And each Spider-Man actor is great in their own unique way, but my personal favourite will always be blank.
These phrases will help you discuss movies and actors naturally and confidently in any English conversation.
Okay, everyone, let us do a quick review of all three incredible Spider-Man actors from today.
Tobey Maguire, the original and deeply emotional Spider-Man who defined the character for an entire generation.
Andrew Garfield, the witty, athletic, and emotionally raw Spider-Man with the most authentic humour and movement.
Tom Holland, the youngest, most authentically teenage, and most charming Spider-Man in the Marvel Universe.
And all three came together in Spider-Man No Way Home, creating the most legendary superhero movie moment ever.
In English, you can say, the Spider-Man franchise is proof that a great character can be brought to life in many ways.
Franchise means a series of connected movies featuring the same character or world across multiple films.
Now it is your turn to practice your English right now in the comments section below.
Right. My favourite Spider-Man actor is blank, because blank. Give us your best argument.
Or right, the best Spider-Man movie of all time is blank because blank. Tell us your pick.
Use the vocabulary and phrases from today and make your comment as detailed and expressive as possible.
Every English sentence you write here is real and valuable practice. We are so incredibly proud of you.
If this episode was fun and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up right now.
Share this video with your friends who love Spider-Man and want to practice English together.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next exciting and fun episode.
Remember, every English conversation you practice brings you one giant step closer to real fluency.
Keep going, keep learning, and keep swinging toward your English goals every single day.
We believe in you completely, and we are cheering for your English journey every step of the way.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are truly amazing, and we mean every single word.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep watching, and keep smiling every single beautiful day.
You got this? See you next time on Juragan English Channel.